everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and welcome to my channel. And for those who are new, thanks for joining. So today's video is going to be my actual paycheck to paycheck number 3 for the month of April. If you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. Alright, you guys, so this is official. This is the actual last paycheck for the month of April, and we are going to hopefully list all the bills that are due for this last paycheck in April, and for some of the bills that are due the first week of May that will fall under this last paycheck. So let's open up the calendar and try to hold this down. So this is going to be April paycheck number 3, and of course the salary should be the same. We're going to list the expenses, actual, and then if I went over or under, and I usually do this piece at the end of the month once I am doing the review closeout budget. So we have Chime, Credit Union, 105. We have savings, and these automatically come out, so that amount is always going to be the same. And then the project fund, which is 100. So let's see. So we know that we have a light bill that needs to come out for the first of the month, and that is $431.02. We have a cell phone, 35. We have cable, 130. We have a storage bill, which is 25. We have the federal student loan, which is $41.01. Navient, $16.33. Amazon comes out. Okay, so then we have Amazon Prime, $13.90. And I think that's it. I think these are the ones that's coming out to help to pay for that first week in May. Right here. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Able. Yeah. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and add in the cash envelopes. The 360. Total expenses. And my projected balance. Let's see. So we got 100 plus 105 plus 140 plus 100 plus 431.02 plus 35 plus 130 plus 25 plus 41.01 plus 1633 plus 1390 plus 360. So total expenses, $1,497.26. Take that away by the income schedule for that week, and that leaves a projected balance of $113.97. And let's see if I can find a little sticker for the goal. I have one, so I'm going to use this one, and the goal is to make an extra student loan payment. Okay, so that is it for this last paycheck for the month of April. We see that the expenses still is roughly taking up that whole paycheck just because of that light bill. I'll be so glad when that's over with for me. And the project, so it's showing the total expenses is $14.97.26, and a projected balance of $113.97. So of course, once I do the end of the month budget, I'll be able to go in, see if I was over, under, and if that's the true projected amount that's left. If so, that I will put that towards that student payment. That's it, you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment. Definitely give me a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks.